How to choose the best DSLR camera for beginners. If you're new to photography and want to learn how to use a DSLR camera, you might be overwhelmed by the number of options available. DSLR stands for Digital Single-Lens Reflex, and it's a type of camera that uses a mirror and a prism to direct light from the lens to the optical viewfinder. This allows you to see exactly what the camera sees and also gives you more control over the settings and the quality of the image. To help you narrow down your choices, here are some of the best DSLR cameras for beginners in 2023 based on customer reviews. Nikon D3500. This is the best overall DSLR camera for beginners as it offers great image quality, intuitive menus, and superb battery life. It's also relatively lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, a 3-inch LCD screen, and a 5 frame per second burst mode. It can also record full HD videos at 60 frames per second. It comes with an 18 to 55mm kit lens, which is versatile enough for most situations. The Nikon D3500 is a simple but effective camera that'll help you learn the basics of photography and grow your skills. Canon EOS Rebel T8i, EOS 850D. This is the best premium DSLR camera for beginners as it offers more advanced features and performance than the Nikon D3500. It has a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, a 3-inch articulating touchscreen, and a 7 frame per second burst mode. It can also record 4K video at 24 frames per second and has a fast and accurate phase detect autofocus system. It comes with an 18 to 55mm kit lens, which has image stabilization and a silent motor. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i or EOS 850D is a more expensive but more capable camera that'll give you more creative options and room to grow. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. This is the best mirrorless camera for beginners as it offers some of the benefits of a DSLR camera in a smaller and lighter body. It has a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, a 3-inch tilting touchscreen, and a 15 frame per second burst mode. It can also record 4K video at 30 frames per second and has a built-in image stabilization system that can correct camera shake and help you shoot in low light. It comes with a 14 to 42mm kit lens, which is equivalent to a 28 to 84mm lens on a full-frame camera. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a compact and stylish camera that will give you some clever computational tricks and a large catalog of compatible lenses.